Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be checking out your energies for the month of September 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so let's get started with your reading for my Leos. Okay, September 2021. Leos, September 2021. What is there for my Leos for September 2021? For those who are wishing to go for a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, so what is there for my Leos? September 2021 Leos. Leo energies, please, coming up. Okay, let's start. The obstacle for you in this month is the Two of Pentacles, and the overall energy is the Nine of Wands. Okay, so either you are busy or you are pretending that you are busy. Okay, so this something is really off for my Leos, because you are trying to hide from a situation, or you are trying to block someone from something, like your life. You are trying to block, you are trying to pretend that you are really busy, and that is the reason you are not able to talk to them. You really are blocking someone, Leos, or you are being blocked by someone. There's a strong blocking energies which is happening in the situation. Okay, so your past energies are Nine of Cups, Seven of Cups and the Two of Cups. It involves a lot of cups energy, a lot of emotions involved in the past energies, because you gave really, like, you gave your best, but there was a situation or there was a person. It can be you, it can be your person as well. There was somebody who was really confused in the situation, but somehow you entered in the relationship, but one person was not sure, and because of that unsurety, the present is getting affected. In the present we have the Eight of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. All of a sudden the emotions shifted into some mental trauma, or instability, something like that. You're not trying. The more emotions there were in the past, now it's like you're not able to express the emotions anymore, and somebody is really feeling traumatic. It's like really negative energies which is coming up. I don't know why the blocking is happening. We will check that out. In the future we have Queen of Cups, Knight of Pentacles and the Moon. So yeah, more slow energies in the future regarding the situation. It seems like the past was very beautiful, but the more you are getting, it's becoming very complicated the more you are pushing this thing forward. Let's clarify this now. Okay. Let's see why the Two of Pentacles is here in the obstacles for my Leos, please. You're really juggling. You're in the middle of some juggling situation. Six of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune and Nine of Cups. It's a situation where you really want to move forward towards something, but because that is something you are wishing for, two wishes coming true basically. You are in a situation where you want both the things. You are in the middle of a situation. You want both. You want to move forward with the other thing, what is going on, but this thing is the wish you have always wished for, and it is coming true because the ball is in your court. Wheel of Fortune, the card of luck. The luck is in your side. You want both the situations. How is that going to help you, Leos? So that is the reason you are blocking something. You have to block one thing because you want something else, and you are not able to see that happening, or you are not able to how to say this, you're not able to face the other situation because you want the other thing as well. You want both. It could be your person as well. Okay, so for cross watchers, it could be you. Okay, so let me check the Nine of Wands energy. Why the Nine of Wands is here? The High Priestess, King of Wands, and Eight of Wands. Yeah. If this is someone else, this is like a third party situation, which I'm getting, that when somebody is really confused between two people. So because you are really getting attracted towards someone else, so it could be an Aries with whom you are dealing with. Leo, Aries, strong fire energies. You are communicating with someone else, and that is why you are blocking someone else. It could be that, or vice versa. Your person could be doing that. Okay, so, and that is the reason. It's really, the other person knows about the situation. Okay, whosoever is ditching, the other person knows about the ditch. Okay. Okay, so let's see. What is the Seven of Cups in the past? Why was my Leo or Leo's person was confused? See, Nine of Wands again. The blocking was from the past, Leos. 10 of Swords. Okay, and 8 of Swords. Yeah. The blocking was from the past. The decision making was not done in the past because the decision was pending. It was like a wish for someone else, but not for one person. Out of you two, one person was wishing for this thing. One person was like, you are my twin flame, you are my everything, you are my soulmate. This is a soulmate connection. But for the other person, it wasn't. For the other person, it was like that they are entering in some kind of a jail or prison kind of a situation where they were feeling that, oh my God, what I am doing, I do not want this person in my life. It's just that I do not want to hurt you, and that is why I am entering in this relationship. Okay. Tell me more about the Four of Pentacles in the present energies for my Leos. Four of Pentacles. Strength, Chariot, and Queen of Wands. So I'm getting strong Cancer and Leo energies here. You might be dealing with one of them, or this could be your energies as well. Yeah. Okay, so my video paused, and I don't know why this is happening from past 2 days. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up really fast because of the video problem. Okay, so yeah, the present cards were the Strength, the Chariot, and Queen of Wands, which I already told you that yeah, you might be dealing with a Leo or a Cancer over here. But being a Leo and being the cards coming up here in the middle of the reading, this is actually indicating that you are that you are in that place, Leo, that is like, it requires a lot of courage and it requires a lot of strength for you to be in that situation. Okay, so if you are going through a situation, the universe is trying to tell you that yeah, I'm putting you in this situation because you can handle this situation. I'm not putting someone else in that situation because of you being so strong within yourself. Why are you in that situation? Because of this. So whatever the blockages you might be feeling, you might be going through, this is because you are ready to fight those things. Okay. In the future energies for the Queen of Cups, we have the Page of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Magician. See, you are the manifestor of your life, Leos. So this is like, whatever you are manifesting, the more emotions you are putting in a situation, it does not matter because your emotions will not go waste. Okay, it won't be like worthless. Okay, so somebody who is stalking you, or you might be getting stalked by someone. So yeah, you are going to find some information about it in the coming future. Whatever is happening, why you are feeling that way, the information which you want will be getting to you. The cards for the Knight of Pentacles are the Six of Cups, Four of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. The past coming back again and again. I am really getting that vibe. The person you are dealing with, they are making you feel that that this is not happening, something like that, but this is going to happen. It's not going to end really fast. If they think so, if they think that it is going to end, I don't see that happening. Things will not be ended just like that. Okay, because you are not going to let that happen. You're going to hold it on. You're going to work for that situation. For the moon energy, we have the Sun, the Fool, and Seven of Pentacles, which I exactly said to you that yeah, you are putting a lot of efforts in that situation, in your relationship, and in the future as well. I'm not seeing you ending a situation just like that. No, there will be highs and lows, moon and sun energy in the future, but you're going to, this is that tough and thin and thick kind of a situation. But yeah, this is really, really beautiful for you, Leo, because the things you are, if this is you who is confused, you are going to get a clarity. But if this is your person who is confused, he or she will also get a clarity. Clarity is coming towards you. Okay, so do not worry about it. Do not overthink about the situation. Things will be falling in your side now very soon. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope that helps, and we will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye.